my name is Kelsey. I'm going to show you the right way to wash your hands. First, you turn the water on. Make sure it's not too cold. And then get some soap, but not too much. Only get one spray. Then you do it like you scrub your hands together and get in between your fingers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kelsey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you. Then you dry your hands off. Then you turn the faucet off. Then you hang the towel back on the rack. It's my birthday. I'm trying to say